In this video, I will show you how to set up backup for 2FA Google account to increase account security of your Google account. Let me show you how. Open up your phone settings. Then scroll down right here. Proceed to Google. Proceed to Google account. Click on Google account. Click on security and sign in. Then scroll down right here. Click on two-step verification phone numbers. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is just go ahead and click on add a backup two-step verification number. So at this point here, what you need to do here is to simply click on here to choose your country. So go ahead and select your country from the options right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter the mobile number right here. Once you enter the mobile number, click on next. A verification code will be sent to that particular number. Once you enter the verification code, the second number is going to be added to your two-step verification to make your Google account more safe and secure. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Google account security, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.